Hey guys, Gorgon here, back with another video. In this video, we're gonna be remaking MK and Gorgon City their view. So we're gonna dive into that typical piano house style of MK. So the final result will sound like this. So first we're gonna dive into the bass line, sounding like this. Then the piano. And then the drums. So let's start off with the bass line. The preset is coming from Dirty Tech 4-in-1, so if you want a preset right away, make sure to check the link down below. And our preset pack will find all the presets you need to make this kind of style of house music, like MK and Gorgon City. So let's make it from scratch now. First oscillator gonna be a saw wave. It's got with quite a lot of unisons. Random this down. And we're going to the D tune. Just to slightly detune it. Okay, just a little bit down. Next shape oscillator B. That one's gonna be a square wave for the lower part of the bass line. It really fills up the bass spectrum a bit more. So then filter it with a low 24. Envelope 2 is the cutoff around halfway. Put a drive and fatness. And then to get really that bass character, put up the resonance. You can hear this will add some more pluckiness to the bass line. Enable mono to avoid overlapping notes. Then go into the hyper dimension. Right envelope 2 to the mix of the hyper. Just to add some more punch and a bit more detunement to the sound. Then add a little bit of hyper. And then we're only gonna add a formant filter to it. So go to the formant 1 filter. Cut off around here. Drive quite high. Formant around here. And mix just really low. That's almost it for the bassline. We're just gonna shape envelope 1 a little bit more. Just something like this. So that's it for bassline. So now it's time to dive into the piano sound. So now we're gonna dive into the piano sound sounding like this. So we took the bass notes and we made some chords with it. We took the second notes of the chord and put it up 1 octave to open up the chord progression a bit more. It's a typical M1 sound, as we heard in a lot of MK tracks. So it's just a piano 16th with no effects on it. Only this preset. Then it's processed like this. So without and with. So just cut off some lows to make room for the bass line. Then we open up the highs a bit more with a Prusa EQ. Just 3 decibels of boosting at 8K. And then some imaging to open up the stereo image of the sound a bit more. A little bit of OCT. Some reverb to mix in the background of the mix, because in the original track the piano is a bit more in the background and the bass line more up front. And then some more EQ to really put some more emphasis in the bass line, to make room for that in the mix. So together with the bass line, it sounds like this. So now let's dive into the drums. We start off with a kick drum. Then some open hi-hats with a clap, nothing too crazy, a crash impact, and then some close hi-hats for some more groove. Slightly off the grid. And that's it for drums, so all the sounds together sound like this.
There for you.
And that's it for the MK style kind of video. So if you like the video, please leave a like to see more and the subscribe button. And I see y'all in the next videos.